Students, this video is to how you can or how you would be writing in your exams for the first term. These exams would be written exams having both objective and subjective parts, and the mode of exam would be online through Google Meet, just like your normal Google class. You're advised to sit in front of camera with the videos in on state and the audio in mute mode. You will be presented with question paper, just like you are being presented in your Google class with your some notes just 2 to 3 minutes before the start of your exams. Let's say if your exam starts at 9, you will be presented with the question paper at around 8:58. And you would be invigilated by 2 to 3 teachers who would be joined in the class. Now about the exam. Specific time would be given for the objective and subjective. First would be objective. It would be presented only for the time allotted for the objective. Let's say the objective part is for 10 minutes. It would be presented only for 10 minutes. After that, student needs to complete the exam, the objective part in that allotted time and the 10 minutes. After that, the presenter would be changing the slide with the subjective part, which would be there for the rest of the allotted time left. After you have completed your exam, you need to click rename and then mail the sheets. Now I'll tell you how you can do that. You'll click on the camera. This is for the iOS user. I'll be making another video for the Android user as well. Now you can click. This would be your sheet. At the top, you would be using your normal sheets of your notebook, and at the top you would be writing DPS Chakri, and like this: name, class, subject and date. This would be the format of your sheet, and you need to write these details on the top of every sheet. Now this would be your first sheet, and you will be clicking this, okay, and then you will be clicking another sheet. Let's say you have 2 sheets. Now how would you rename those? Now in case of iOS, these files are saved directly onto the photos folder. Now this is the photos folder. In case of iOS, in case of the photos app, the photos app in iOS doesn't have this facility to rename. Now it doesn't have the facility to rename, so we need to move these files to a folder, or you can say app, which is by the name of file, which would be having this facility to rename these files. Now first of all, you need to select the file, and then at the left corner, bottom left corner, you're having an icon of share. Now you click on this and then scroll. Fourth from the bottom is save to files. You click on this and you'll be getting this screen, and then at the top it's save. Click on the save. Now your file has been saved to, or your picture image have been saved to, it has been saved to the file folder. Now you can repeat the same procedure for the next file. Scroll and save to files. Now both of your sheets have been saved to the file folder. In this case, file folder is just below the photos, the blue icon. Now you can go to this file folder. This is your file folder. These are the 2 images, IMG 9594, IMG 9593. These are the 2 recent images I have clicked. Now I want to rename these files. Now click on, simply click. This is for iOS user. For it is very easy in case of Android, but I would also make the video for Android user as well. No, now you need to type the name of the student first, and then hyphen, and the number of the sheet number, first sheet, and then hyphen, and the subject, eng, and then hyphen, and then your class. Suppose this was for class 9th. Done. Now I would be making or renaming the second file as well. Aman 2, and then the subject name and class. This would be the format. This is the format, required format. You need to rename your files according to this format only. Otherwise your files won't be accepted. Now done. Now you have these two files, Aman 1 English 9th, Aman 2 English 9th. These are the two files. Now you need to mail these files. Now simply click, long press, sorry. Now at the bottom it's share, the last icon. You need to click on this, mail. You need to mail this to ID which would be provided to you later. This would be an ID of your subject teacher or maybe some other teacher that would be provided to you later. Now what is important here is the subject.